Industrial shed houses cost way less than you've been told. Not $250,000, not $300,000. The real number? $95,000 to $180,000 turnkey. But most builders won't tell you that. Here's why. Stay with me, because the cost difference between what builders quote and what these actually cost is massive. We're breaking down real 2026 turnkey costs for industrial shed houses in the U.S. Foundation to finish, ready to live in. Your state, your land, and how much you negotiate will shift the number, but this is the honest range. Let's start with what these actually are. What an industrial shed house actually is. An industrial shed house is a metal agricultural or commercial building converted into a home. Steel frame, metal exterior, simple gable or monitor roof. Originally designed for equipment storage, workshops, or light commercial use. Now finished as living space. The structure goes up fast. No complex framing, no wood rot, no termites. Once the shell is weatherproof, you finish the interior like any building. Insulation, drywall, flooring, kitchen, bathrooms. The result looks like a modern industrial loft. Open floor plan, high ceilings, durable exterior. You're living in what used to be called a shop or pole barn. But finished properly, it's a home. And it costs significantly less than traditional construction. Here's the real cost breakdown. Here's where the $95,000 to $180,000 comes from. Metal shell structure, 30 by 40 to 40 by 60. Steel frame, metal siding and roof, foundation anchors, doors, and windows. Cost $35,000 to $65,000 depending on size and specs. Foundation, slab or pier-and-beam. Engineered concrete slab most common. Cost $12,000 to $22,000 depending on size and site conditions. Insulation and climate control. Spray foam insulation on metal walls and roof. Cost $8,000 to $15,000. HVAC installation. Cost $8,000 to $14,000. Interior finishing. Drywall throughout or exposed insulation with panels. Cost $10,000 to $18,000. Flooring. Polished concrete, LVP, or stained concrete. Cost $6,000 to $12,000. Electrical rough-in and finish. Cost $8,000 to $15,000. Plumbing rough-in and finish. Cost $10,000 to $16,000. Kitchen and bathrooms. One full kitchen with cabinets, counters, appliances. Cost $12,000 to $25,000. 1 to 2 bathrooms with fixtures, tile, vanities. Cost $10,000 to $20,000. Doors, windows, trim, and paint. Interior doors, window trim, baseboard, and paint. Cost $6,000 to $12,000. Total $95,000 to $180,000 turnkey. That's a complete livable home, not a shell, not a partial build, move-in ready. Why builders quote higher? So why do most builders quote $200K to $300K for the same thing? 3 reasons. Reason 1, they're pricing it like traditional construction. They use stick-built labor rates and timelines, even though metal buildings go up faster with less skilled labor. You're paying traditional builder margins on a simpler build. Reason 2, they don't specialize in metal buildings. General contractors aren't familiar with agricultural or commercial metal building suppliers. They order from residential metal building companies that charge more. You're paying retail instead of commercial wholesale pricing. Reason 3 is padding for perceived complexity. Builders assume finishing a metal building is harder than it is. They pad estimates to cover unknowns. In reality, once the shell is up, finishing is straightforward. Same trades, same process. If you work directly with a metal building supplier for the shell, then hire finish contractors separately, you cut out the markup. That's how you get to $95K to $180K instead of $250K. The cost everyone forgets. Here's the hidden cost that catches people.
condensation control and proper insulation detailing. Metal buildings sweat. Temperature differential between inside and out creates condensation on the interior metal surface. If you don't address this properly, you get dripping water, mold, rust, ruined interiors. The fix? Closed cell spray foam applied directly to the metal. Creates a thermal barrier and vapor barrier in one step. Cost? $8,000 to $15,000 depending on building size. Most budget estimates skip this or underestimate it. Then halfway through the build, you realize you need it, and now you're scrambling to add $12K to $15K you didn't budget. Plan for spray foam up front. It's not optional. It's required for livability. Size and cost relationship. 30 by 40 or 1,200 square feet shed house. Shell is $35K to $48K. Foundation is $12K to $16K. Finishes is $48K to $80K. Total $95K to $144K. 40 by 50 or 2,000 square feet shed house. Shell is $48K to $62K. Foundation is $16K to $20K. Finishes is $68K to $98K. Total $132K to $180K. 40 by 60 or 2,400 square feet shed house. Shell is $55K to $70K. Foundation is $18K to $24K. Finishes is $82K to $115K. Total $155K to $209K. Notice the pattern. The shell scales affordably, foundation scales moderately, finishes scale linearly. The sweet spot for most people is 1,600 to 2,000 square feet. Enough space for comfortable living, not so big that finishing costs explode. DIY versus contractor finish. You can cut costs significantly if you're willing to DIY some of the finish work. If you hire everything out, expect to pay the upper end of the ranges above. Total for 1,600 square feet, $130,000 to $170,000. If you DIY insulation, drywall, paint, and trim, you save $18,000 to $30,000 in labor. Total for 1,600 square feet, $95,000 to $125,000. What most people actually do is DIY the easy stuff: paint, trim, flooring install. Hire out the technical stuff: spray foam, electrical, plumbing, and HVAC. Total for 1,600 square feet, $110,000 to $145,000. Even partial DIY saves real money without requiring you to become a licensed tradesperson. What you're actually getting. At the end of a $95,000 to $180,000 industrial shed house build, here's what you have. Structure: steel frame that will outlast most wood frame homes. Metal exterior that never needs painting or replacing. Clear span interior with no load-bearing walls. Complete layout flexibility. Finishes: full kitchen with cabinets, appliances, and counters. 1 to 2 complete bathrooms. Drywall or finished walls throughout. Flooring in all rooms. Central HVAC. Durability: termite-proof, rot-proof, fire-resistant metal exterior, low maintenance for decades. You're getting a modern, durable, low-maintenance home for half what traditional construction costs. The trade-off? It looks industrial. That's the aesthetic. If you want traditional suburban home curb appeal, this isn't it. But if you value function, durability, and cost efficiency over appearance, this is one of the smartest builds available. Who this works for. Industrial shed houses make sense for specific buyers. You're building on rural land and don't care about resale to traditional buyers. Neighbors are half a mile away. No HOA. You value the building, not the image. You want a workshop or business space integrated with living quarters. Part of the shell is home, the rest is shop, studio, or storage, all under one roof. You're budget-focused and willing to embrace industrial aesthetics. You'd rather save $80,000 to $120,000 and live in a metal building than pay traditional prices for wood framing. You never want to paint, replace siding, or deal with wood rot. Metal solves that.
Who should skip this? This doesn't work for everyone. You're building in a suburban neighborhood with strict aesthetics. HOAs and zoning boards often reject industrial-looking structures. Resale to traditional buyers matters to you. Metal buildings have a smaller buyer pool. If you need to sell in 5 years, this limits options. You can't handle the industrial look. If exposed metal, high ceilings, and warehouse vibes don't appeal, you'll hate living here. Traditional construction is worth the extra cost for you. Industrial shed house cost in 2026 is $95K to $180K turnkey, not $250K, not $300K. The difference comes from working directly with metal building suppliers, hiring finish trades separately, and avoiding traditional builder markups. Budget for spray foam insulation. Don't skip it. Consider partial DIY to save $20,000 to $30,000, and only build this if you value function and cost over conventional appearance. For the right buyer, this is one of the most affordable permanent housing options in the U.S. Subscribe to Prefab Pathfinders for real cost breakdowns every week. Comment with your state and whether this pricing matches what you've been quoted. See you next time.